Y'all was supposed to record. I did not fucking record. So I just went to the hair store. It's down the street.
Oh, damn, yeah, oh, damn, I knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I can lend you. Oh, a piece of mind, baby. Come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time.
That's where I just went. But I got my bag. I'm walking back. Let me tell y'all how this man just blessed my whole life. I walked in the hair store with 50 fucking dollars. 5 zip, okay? This man gonna pay for the rest of my shit. Just calm this shit. It shouldn't be that hard. What is it? Look at my hand time. And then just move. I call him my little chopper. He my car. Trying to get me some weed. Try to fuck with my lungs. No, they don't. This the little shit. Place 10.
Taking notes on my keyboard. What you bothering me for? There's a room full of niggas. What you following me for? Say the fucking sing along. So girl, what you singing for? 'Cause you blow like a seagull. My seagull. Money, more money. Big hot keys in the trash, they blowing. Treat to the tie. Two-top glass, with a handful of girls, and they all so fine. Bring some poison, rainbow strong. Light skin chick, first light from mine. All right, thanks, first light from mine.
Oh, I hope you do not come bother me. I make my bitch stop telling me fuck. Oh, okay. You listen, a bitch ain't a professional, okay? I can barely work the motherfucking spray. Look, on top of that shit. Anyway, they got a that thing thick. Okay.
They loving the crew, they loving the crew, they loving the crew. Oh, they loving the crew, oh, they loving the crew, they loving the crew, they loving the crew, they loving the crew. Taking notes on my keyboard. What you bothering me for? There's a room full of niggas. What you following me for? Say the fucking sing along. So girl, what you singing for? 'Cause you blow like a seagull. My seagull.
Thank you.
I said, skirt all niggas, skirt up all niggas, skirt down, you acting like me, acting like we wasn't more than a summer fling. I said farewell, you took it well, promise I won't cry, bust the milk, need a paper towel, give me another. Value, give me another hour or two. Hour with you. Why you bother me when you know you don't want me? Why you bother me when you know you got a woman? Why you hit me when you know better? Know you know better. Know you groove better than you do. So call me looking for you. I'll be looking for you. Got me looking for.
This day 2 with it. It still look good. I put my band in the sleeve. Do my edges and put some tension on them. Which I'm finna do right now. I'm not finna do my edges because I feel like they are. I kind of don't even need this, but I'm just gonna put it in my bed. I'm taking a little bit of tissue to just I kind of don't care right now, but if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. It's doing good, but bye y'all.
Taking notes of my